The truth is, you're already investing. Time, money, energy. Every day you're placing bets on your future. But what if I told you the richest people aren't doing it alone anymore? They're using artificial intelligence. And now, so can you. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can help you invest smarter, even if you're starting with nothing. These tools work while you sleep, adjust to the market, and help you build wealth with confidence. And the 4th one? It's outperforming human advisors. You'll want to stick around for that. Tool number 1, Betterment. First up is Betterment. Think of it as a 24/7 financial advisor, without the fees, the stress, or the awkward office meetings. Betterment uses robo-advisory AI to build and manage your portfolio automatically. Based on your risk tolerance, it allocates your money into a diversified basket of assets and rebalances it regularly. And here's the truth. Keeping money in a savings account is a slow death by inflation. Betterment helps you fight back with zero effort. Unless you really think that 0.01% interest in your bank is going to build generational wealth. Tool number 2, M1 Finance. It's like a Lego set for your money, and the AI is your coach. You get to build your own investment pie or use expert-crafted ones. M1 automatically invests every dollar you deposit and rebalances your portfolio for you. You maintain control. The AI just makes sure you're not sabotaging yourself. For those who want both freedom and automation, this one is a game changer. Tool number 3, QAI Now. What if your investments could adjust before the market shifts? Q.AI does exactly that. It uses machine learning to detect market trends and reposition your investments accordingly. It even has themed portfolios, like tech rally, inflation protection, and more. This isn't guesswork. This is data-driven investing, using algorithms that Wall Street has had for years. It's finally in your hands. It's like having a crystal ball, without needing to read tea leaves or trust Reddit. Tool number 4, Zignally. Tool 4 is for the bold. Zignally lets you copy the trades of professional investors automatically. You choose a trader with a proven track record, and the AI follows their moves in real time. If they buy, you buy. If they sell, you sell. And it comes with AI-driven risk controls to protect your downside. It's used heavily in crypto, but works with traditional markets too. It's like having a hedge fund manager on autopilot. Tool number 5, ChatGPT. The same tool people use to write essays can now help you build wealth. With the right prompts, ChatGPT can create a personalized investment plan, compare ETFs, explain tax rules, or even create a dollar-cost averaging schedule. This is raw power, free and fully customizable. No, it won't do your laundry, but it can tell you exactly how to retire by 40. Recap and transformation, let's review. Betterment automates your portfolio. M1 gives you control with structure. Q.AI predicts. Zignally follows the pros. ChatGPT customizes everything. These aren't gimmicks. These are the tools that can move you from, I hope I'm investing right, to, I know I'm building wealth. This generation doesn't need more hustle culture. It needs smart culture. Investing isn't about risking it all. It's about using tools to remove emotion, reduce error, and automate wealth building while you live your life. Your phone, your mind, and these AI tools, that's your new financial foundation. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of people your age. Comment below which tool you'll try first. Like this video if you're ready to invest smarter. And subscribe, because next week, we're showing how to use AI to track your net worth and predict your financial future. Oh, and there's one AI platform we didn't mention, because it's still in beta, but it's already outperforming human advisors 78% of the time. We're testing it now. You'll see the full breakdown soon.